In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop emails from going into spam in Yahoo. Managing your email efficiently can streamline your digital life, and ensuring important messages aren't lost in your spam folder is a key part of that. So, let's dive right in and get you set up for email success. First and foremost, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Yahoo login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo email address in the designated field. Be diligent in typing it correctly to avoid any mishaps with logging in. Once you've entered your email, simply click the Next button to proceed. You are now at the step where you need to input your password. It's crucial to use the correct password associated with your Yahoo account to steer clear of any login hiccups. After entering your password, and double-checking for any typos, hit the Next button once more. If all your details are correct, you'll find yourself in your Yahoo Mail inbox, ready to take control of your spam situation. Now that you're in your inbox, direct your gaze towards the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll spot the gear icon. This is your Settings button. A simple click here will open a drop-down menu for you. From this menu, you're aiming to select More Settings. Why? Because this option takes you to a more expansive settings menu, giving you greater control over how your emails are sorted. This is where the real magic happens for managing spam. On the left side of this menu, you'll find an option labeled Filters. Filters are your tools for directing incoming emails to the right places. Click on Filters, and then proceed to click on Add New Filters. This step is akin to drafting clear instructions for your digital postman. For instance, if you notice emails from a particular sender often land in your spam folder, you can enter this person's email address or their domain in the filter criteria. By doing this, you've ensured that these emails will be delivered straight to your inbox from now on. However, don't forget, after you've meticulously arranged your filter criteria, it's essential to hit Save. Saving is what solidifies the rules you've set, making sure they're applied to incoming emails. And there you have it, a straightforward, quick method to guarantee those crucial emails bypass the spam folder and arrive directly in your Yahoo Mail inbox, all while keeping your digital life running smoothly. It's a small adjustment with a significant impact, helping you maintain seamless communication and ensuring no important message is missed. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to take charge of your email settings so you stay organized and effective.